Get Out, Give In is the debut single from Sydney band Expatriate. It was only sold at their early live gigs, making it a really rare item. At the time, the lineup of the band was Ben King on vocals and guitar, Damien Press on keyboards, guitar and backing vocals, Chris Kollias on drums, and Tim Rogers, who then left the band and went on a solo career under the name Jack Latter to avoid confusion with Tim Rogers, lead vocalist of UMI, on bass. Track listings: Get Out, Give In, The Spaces Between, Sleazy, live demo, Blackbird, live demo, Killer Cat, live demo. Of the version of Get Out, Give In is exactly the same as the one featured on the Lovers Lestrange EP. The version of The Spaces Between was also very similar to the Lovers Lestrange version, however the version featured on the single did not feature backing vocals. Both tracks were also re-recorded for their debut album in the midst of this. The version of Killer Cat, however, is very different from the EP version. It is much slower and rougher. The demos of Blackbird, then called Blackbird, and Sleazy were recorded in a similar fashion. Blackbird has since been re-recorded for in the midst of this, however no other version of Sleazy has been released to date. Radio singles. The first radio single to be taken off the EP was Get Out, Give In, which received lots of airplay on Sydney indie radio station FI. The track was eventually picked up by Triple J. Then radio stations picked up the second single, The Spaces Between, which was eventually used to promote their first commercially released EP, Lovers Lestrange. References: